So in Python language there is let us start Python program, a simple command called print. So print is a output statement in Python. So let us start hello world. As every programming language we start with this hello world. So if you type this print in brackets double quotes hello world, this will display the output. Okay, so if you run this next you will get output as hello world. Okay, this output we got. So this is the proper output we got in Python. So this IDE I am using, it is called PyCharm. It is called PyCharm IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So this is a Python compiler, as you can simply understand. What is the purpose of the compiler? It will translate the programming language into the computer, which computer understands machine language. So that is binary language. So it is called a compiler for Python. So means it will translate the source code into machine understandable binary code. So just you can understand like that. So IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, means many tools are integrated into that. One among them is compiler. Okay, for your simple understanding you can say it will compile the Python program for you, and wherever we are typing that program, that is called editor. So this is a simple first Python program for us. So print is the statement used for displaying output. So what is the statement we use in Python to display, to take input? So that is input command. So we have to type left side input, the variable name which you want to take input into, and type here this input. So you can run this. Just say enter a value. So next, if you enter a value, it will take some value. Okay, so now it will take in some value. So whatever the value you enter, it will be stored in the form of string. So to make it integer, you have to convert that into integer using int function. There is another function called int. So int. Now if you print x, that will be pure integer. Okay. Now it is asking enter a value. So I am entering 345 something. So it displayed 345. Okay. So that integer it got displayed. So now I want to add two numbers. Okay. So for that, what I will do, take two integers input. Now it will asking for enter a value, two value. It is asking for entering one more value, 15 I am entered. So 12 plus 15 how much? 25, sorry, 12 plus 15, how much? 27. So 27 total value is got displayed. So we got the right output. So this is the small program to understand basic input and output functions of a Python program. Okay, it is a small introduction to input and output in Python. How that it will go, you have seen. Okay, thank you.